Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Look at this Nutella chocolate cake. Start with a basic chocolate cake cut into a rectangle and pipe on white buttercream. Layer it up. Then refrigerate for 15 minutes, and once it's slightly set, you can carve the shape of your jar. So it looks a bit like this. Now cover the entire thing in white buttercream. And smooth it out. Refrigerate for a further 15 minutes and meanwhile roll out white fondant icing into a sausage shape. Flatten it out using a rolling pin. And slice off a strip. Tidy it up. And use a tool to make indents all the way along. Lovely. Pop that up a bit. And get a large piece of fondant icing, white again. Roll it out so it's still quite thick, and use a cookie cutter to cut out a circle. Now get your strip and wrap it around, trimming off the excess. That's going to be our lid. Now get your cake and wrap brown fondant icing all around it, removing the excess and pressing it down using your fingers. Next, get a fairly large piece of white fondant icing with the logo on it and wrap it around the jar. Just press it down at the back. And finally, pop the lid on. Brilliant! And there you have it, Nutella chocolate cake. Why don't you trick your guests? They're gonna love it! Enjoy!